Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I am Rifatari Saputra. Here I will explain about Archimedes' law. Introduction and historical context. What is Archimedes' principle? A core law in fluid mechanics. Explain the buoyant force experienced by an object when it is partly or fully immersed in a fluid. A Greek mathematician, physicist, and engineer. The famous stories involves him discovering in the principle while taking a bath and exclaiming, tools for the experiment: dynamometer, glass full of water, glass for spoiled water, beaker glass, weight, digital scale. The principal statement: the law, anybody, wholly or partially, immersed in a fluid is buoyed up by a force equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the body. Buoyant force: it always acts upward, opposing the force of gravity. It is caused by the difference in fluid pressure at different depths. Key idea: the volume of the fluid pushed aside is exactly equal to the volume of the object that is submerged. What happens when an object is immersed in a fluid? Number 1. Object experiencing fluid pressure. P equals rho times G times H. Rho equals fluid density. G equals gravity. H equals depth. Number 2. Buoyancy force. F sub A equals rho sub F times G times V sub F. Fa equals Archimedes force and rho F equals fluid density. Vf equals volume of fluid dispensed by the object. G equals acceleration due to gravity. Real world application. Number 1. Ships and boats. Ships are often made of steel, denser than water, but their hollow shape, filled with air, drastically lowers their average density. This low average density allows the ships to displace a weight of water equals to their own. Number 2. Hot air balloons. The principle applies to gas as the fluid. The hot air inside the balloon is less dense than the color air outside, creating a large buoyant force that is the balloon. 3. Submarines. Utilize ballast tanks. To sink, the tanks are filled with seawater. To rise, the water is pumped out the replaced with compressed air. Number 4. Hydrometers. Device used to measure the specific gravity of liquids based on how deep they float. Experimental procedures. Measure the weight in the air using a dynamometer. Measure the weight when it's entirely submerged in water. Calculate Archimedes force from difference of weight. submerge the object in the glass full of water and see how much of it is spilled. Measure the spilled water in a beaker glass. Measure the mass of the water that has been moved. Compare the Archimedes force with the mass of the water that has been moved. This is data collection during the practicum. Conclusion and summary. Key takeaways. Archimedes' principle defines the buoyant force. Fb equals the weight of the displaced fluid. The relative density determines whether an object floats, is suspended, or sinks. Final thought. This simple principle is the core reason massive ships can float and is essential to countless engineering marvels. Okay, that's all from my presentation. Thank you.